Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to set up and how to install a free VPN service on your OPPO A54s. So at the very beginning, open your web browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and go to 2ap.io website. Thanks this website we can see how websites see our location, our network location. In my case it's Poland. Yes, it's true. And now we will try to change it. So open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application. Find the application with a rabbit on the icon and click install. Click open, agree and continue. Click on the cross on the left top corner. Now just click on the card on the center of your screen, or click on the globe, and by clicking on the globe you can choose the country to connect to. For example, I want to connect to United States, to Miami. Click always allow. Wait a while, and cool, we are successfully connected to VPN services. So now just go to 2ap.io website to check how websites see our location now. I have poor internet connection, but okay, I am in Germany. Okay, it not works very good, but it works. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.